she was complaining about. हम जो बॉडी लैंग्वेज की बात कर रहे हैं, कम्युनिकेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, उस हिसाब से प्रॉब्लम क्या था कम्युनिकेशन में? You're telling me about the scenario. Again, you are going to the emotional center of the women's brain. She was aggressive right from the beginning. What else? That's right. She was not able to properly express herself. He said, "What's the problem? What's the problem?" I just don't like it, Manisha. Example though, which
she was getting irritated without expressing herself.
Yes. He was continually asking, "What is the problem?" He even put his paper down. He put his pen down. He took his glasses off. He turned his whole body towards her and said, "अच्छा बताओ problem क्या है?"
It was very cool.
And she said, "But I just don't like it when you yell at me."
But he was not trying to more irritated.
Yes, he was. His whole body language said he was trying to understand it. See, again, you're looking at it from your female lens. So you are unable to see the male perspective. But step back from your female lens. If you see what his body language was initially facing straight. Ultimately, he took his glasses off, चश्मे निकालने, पेन, पेपर साइड में डाला, पूरा बॉडी ऐसे घुमाया, उसकी तरफ फेस किया. That is, he is trying to pay attention.
He was not very upset.
He was
wanting peace.
ना तो पीस के लिए तो बात करना चाहिए ना, solution निकालना है. This poor husband is trying and all of you are still attacking the husband. Amazing, you know. अरे but wait. I love this role play. You know why? Because she's telling me the wife is saying all the time he's doing it, he's not willing to accept it. अरे बेचारा पूछ रहा है कि भाई अच्छा सुनो मेरी बात. Just as I don't think in this scenario, if you look at it objectively, in this scenario, I don't think the husband was trying to avoid the wife. Okay?
But he said,
But the wife had a he was the wife he was initially sarcastic. One second. One, I'm not the enemy. Two, I'm not the husband. Three, you may not like me for what I'm about to say. I accept that. Listen, we condition ourselves. You know, एक बार chicken pox होता है तो वापस chicken pox नहीं होते हमें, क्योंकि हमारे nerves में it's recorded. We record. Same way we record emotional responses. Sometimes we've had an argument with somebody we are close to, whatever it is, or we've had a disagreement, and that person, you've not seen them in a week and they walk through the door, instantly अंदर कुछ होता है to react. That's a conditioned pattern. So as maybe wives and husbands, married 10 years, 20 years, 30 years, 40 years, 50 years, we have conditioned patterns. So if we want to break those conditioned patterns, we have to be willing to consider that there might be another point of view. अगर हम वो कंसिडर करना ही नहीं चाहते हैं, हम थोड़ा भी हमारे माइंड को ओपन नहीं रखना चाहते हैं, तो जो प्रॉब्लम आज है वो कल भी रहेगी. ओके, शायद मल्टीप्लाई हो सकती है. मैं सिर्फ आप लोग को ये कह रही हूँ कि कंसिडर करो कि शायद कोई अलग पर्सपेक्टिव हो सकता है. शायद maybe his agenda is not to be mean, maybe his agenda is not to put you down, but because of what has happened in the past and because of how you have conditioned your brain, you are still reacting from that old conditioning. समझ में आ रहा? we have to be open to the possibility that he has also changed in 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. His conditioning has also changed. He has also become a different type of person than when you married. Maybe he might be open